Looking for the perfect blend of adventure, comfort, and confidence? Look no further than Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer, where our 2025 Kia Seltos EX all-wheel drive is ready to set you on your next New Brunswick adventure. From Fredericton's bustling streets to weekend escapes along the St. John River, this SUV is designed to make every drive effortless and exciting. With sleek gray styling and a cozy black interior, our Seltos combines modern elegance with practicality. Heated leather seats and a heated steering wheel turn frosty maritime mornings into pure comfort, while remote start and an automatic climate control system ensure maximum convenience. Plus, the sunroof invites fresh air and sunshine into every scenic backroad drive. All-wheel drive confidence, blind spot collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and forward collision avoidance make every trip safer and more relaxed. Tech-savvy passengers will love the 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto for seamless navigation and entertainment. With only 27,790 kilometers and backed by both our huggable guarantee and balance of factory warranty, our Kia Seltos is ready for your life's next chapter. Visit Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug